Hi friends, this is Kit. I have not come in to say hello for quite some time. Hope you are well and happy. Today I'm sharing with you a piece whereby I have done recently. I named it Fairy on Yellow Daisies. It is done on a A5 size watercolor paper. After sketching my drawing, I outline it with color pencils. Starting with a brown color pencil for the hair and flowers. Then with the reddish brown, I outline the skin. I try to use a very sharp color pencil. However, I have to remind myself that I should not press too hard. For the lips, I use red to outline. And a dark brown for outlining the eyes. As for my signature fairy eyebrow, I use dark maroon. Before I add in watercolor, I brush a layer of clean water. Then olive green for the background. It doesn't have to be even, I make it patchy. Now I wait for the colors to dry. Bright yellow for the base color of the flowers. Orange for the base of the hair. Yellow ochre for the shadows. Add some orangey brown. Light peach color for the skin. Add pink color to the light peach for the shadows. Pink color for the base of the lips and some highlights on the face. For the eyes, I use dark brown color. Bright gold for my signature fairy eyebrow. Okay, here's all for today's sharing. Hope you have already picked up your drawing pencils. Wish you all the best and see you on the next one. Bye bye!